Hey guys, welcome back to Zane's Big Bakes, and today I'm going to be making some super delicious, super fudgy brownies. Before we get started, the link of the recipe is in the description, and without further ado, let's get into it. Before we get started on the batter, the only thing that this recipe needs is a bowl and to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we can get started on the batter. First, you want to get 6 ounces of chocolate chips. I like using semi-sweet chocolate chips, but the recipe calls for bittersweet chocolate, so you can use either one. They're basically the same. Then you want to get 1 stick of unsalted butter and add that to your chocolate chips. There are 2 ways to melt your chocolate butter mixture. The first is the double boiler method, which takes a little bit longer and is a little bit harder, whereas the one that I'm going to use, the microwave method, is a little bit shorter and it's much easier. It also turns out just as good. For the microwave method, microwave on high until completely melted. Also, make sure to mix every 30 seconds so that the chocolate doesn't burn. Once that's completely melted, add in your sugar and mix it until combined. Once you've added your sugar, add in your eggs one at a time until just combined. Make sure not to overmix them so that your brownies bake properly. Once you've combined your eggs, add in 1/4 cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix until just combined. Once you've whisked in the cocoa powder and the salt, add in 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour. Now we can add this to our 8 by 8 inch pan that was either lined with parchment paper or sprayed with cooking spray. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed these delicious brownies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos every week. Also, make sure to comment down below which dessert you want me to make next.